So normally line chart we have seen on the several trading website, newspaper, where we can see a particular kind of trend over a period of time, maybe 1 year, 2 year, 1 quarter, 2 quarter, past time, future time. So we'll see how to make a line chart and what are the various formatting options available for the line chart. So let's start. So first in the visualization tab, click on the line chart icon. So adjust its size. So this is our line chart and now we'll drag order date on the x-axis and sales on the y-axis. Yeah. So we can see here time start from the 2014 till 2017. This is the trend. Now time being we'll add a slicer here. Slicer act as a visual level filter. So where is slicer? Yeah. And the slicer will move the order date. Here we'll change it to the date hierarchy. So date hierarchy we can see year, quarter, month, day. This is also date hierarchy. Now we'll do the further analysis here. So this is time start from 2014 to 2017. Now click on this drill down option. Let's see. If we click further, here timeline divided to the sales by year and quarter here. So we can see this is the Jan, quarter 2, quarter 1 in the 2015. This is quarter 3 in the 2015, like that. If we click further, we divided by the year, quarter and month. So on each corner point we can see the month, quarter and month. We click further, it changed to the sales by year, quarter, month and day. So we can see each date and timeline here. Just put cursor anywhere, we can see all the details like year, quarter, month, day and sales. Now again drill up, showing sales by year, quarter and month. Now year and quarter, again it's year. Now we'll come back to this slicer. See how this slicer affect the trend here. Suppose we wanted to see the trend in the for 2 quarter only. So in the slicer we can select only 2 quarter, 1 quarter, 2. We can see the trend here. Now if we wanted to see the trend over only few months only, we can see. Like in quarter 1 for the first 3 months, this is the overall trend. Now even if in a particular quarter we wanted to see the trend over first 2 months only, like Jan, Feb, so we can see how the trend it is. Now we wanted to see the overall trend for our first month only, so we can see we in the selected quarter we have selected the January month only. So now see we can see the trend here. So like that it work here. Now we can see the overall trend for the year 2014. Now we'll see what are the other option here. Now select this visual. In the secondary Y axis, we'll move the profit here. So now this is the sales and profit trend over here. Now we can analyze the both the things. So let's see. Now we can compare the sales and profit over a particular timeline. For example, in our case here, we can see the trend in the quarter one and quarter two. Now, if we want, we can move to the profit in the y-axis as well. Let's see what happened here. So we have moved to both sales and profit in the same y-axis. But here we can see there is no clarity between the sales and profit here. So just for that sake of clarity only, we can move always both numerical data into the different y-axis here, like sales in the y-axis and profit in the secondary y-axis. Now we'll see what are the various formatting options. So select all the quarter here. Now we'll see the formatting option here. We'll change this to the order date here. So sales by order date here. Now we'll talk about the formatting here. So formatting, we'll not talk about the x-axis, y-axis formatting. So we'll go to the lines. So we can change the line styles like shape. If we want, instead of solid we want dotted, we can change it. Now stroke width 5, we can do this thing. If you want make a stepped enable here, so like that we can do it. If wanted to change the color of line, like here it is sky blue, so we can change it to the dark blue here, like that. Now if you wanted to give some markers, yeah, now we can see the marker here. If you wanted to see the marker on the either sales profit, so we can do that thing also. And also marker type, here it is circle, we wanted to make triangle, diamond, square, so we can do those things also. Now we wanted to change the color, also we can change the color as well here. Now data labels on, now we can see the data on each corner. Now series on profit sales also. Now after this we'll see what are the other formatting options. So click on the further analysis to your visuals. Now see the x-axis constant line. So, okay. Now this is trend line. Trend line, it will show the particular trend, whether it is coming up or going down. So we can see those trend over the years. Like this is the sales trend in the year 2015, sales trend in the year 2016, sales trend in the year 2017. Like that we can see. Trend. Instead of line style, we can change solid here. Now We'll talk about the y-axis constant line. If we want, we can add a parallel line here, like a daily basis. Our minimum value should be like that. So add line here, y-axis constant line. Line gives some value here, like 2000. So we can see this is the 2000. So this is the y-axis minimum line we can see. We can change it to a solid line. Now this is a data label on off. We can do it here. Now this is more clear now, black color. If we want, we can change the display unit for this value here. So 2.00K. Now we'll apply the x-axis constant line here. Now this is x-axis constant line here, like that. Line. Since the x-axis timeline, so we can change some particular timeline. Like since it is 2014, so add 30th April here. So this is our x-axis constant line. We'll make it solid. If we want, we can make the shaded, like this is a shaded here. Even for shaded, we have multiple options, like we can change its transparency here. Change the color, like pink or very light color, yellow kind of things. We can change the color here. Now this is data label here. Data label left, right, whatever we want, we can change it. It's also, it should be down and we can change it. But since our down we already so many things, so better we make it on the upper side. Style we can change, like both, just name only. If we want, we can change its color also. Now we have done the formatting for the x-axis constant line, y-axis constant line. Now if we want, we can change the minimum line. We want some value or minimum line. It already take here. See, this is the default line here. This. We can change this to the, see, this is dark blue changes here. Minimum line, data label on. Now max line. Now this is a max line have been created here. Now we can format that line as well. Instead of the sky blue, we want another color. We can change it. Now dashed in, we want the solid line here. If we want, we can add the average line also. So like that we have multiple options here. Add line color change. This is our average line. So like that we have median line, percentage line. Now another important feature, we have the forecast. Suppose here data have been given till 2014 31st December. Now we wanted to do the further prediction for the another 2 months, 3 months. So we can do options here. So we can select the month and we wanted to do the forecast for the another 3 months. So just enter 3, apply. So based on the previous data for the another 12 month, so this is the prediction for the 3 month only. So if we put cursor anywhere, we can see here the forecasted one 3633, upper bound and lower bound. If you want, we can do the prediction for the quarters also, like the same month, year, apply. Suppose we don't want to include the first two, means sub 2 month data in the prediction here, so we can do also that thing. So just give 2 month here. It will not add the first last 2 month in the predictions, and like December, November, it will not include. So it will include the October, September, August month data into the predictions. Like that it works. So like that, this is the our predicted data here. If we want, we can add the forecasted line. So this is our forecasted line. So this is all about the line chart.